Here is how to crush your competitors in any online digital market using this one simple store cloning technique that I'm going to teach you today for free. How do we make money online? We build brands. Why do we build brands? To make money. The question is, once we've built our first brand, how do we then replicate and copy the strategies that our competitors are using to implement them into our store and our website for free? What I'm going to teach you in this video today is a step-by-step process on exactly how to clone your competition, implement it into your website, and replicate what they're doing to make you money. If you're watching this, you're a person who wants to make money online. Maybe you've started a brand, maybe you're thinking about starting a brand. The point is, if you've come to this video, it means you want to figure out, how do I get this brand to make cash? I'm going to show you this right now for free. When you've launched your first brand in whatever sector it may be, it could be sports nutrition, nootropics, performance, clothing, merch, accessories, books, ebooks. There are so many different products you could launch. I couldn't even tell you all the products if I could sit here all day today. I literally would not have enough time to tell you how many hot topics and how many hot products are making cash today online. Once you've chosen the product that you want to launch, what I want you to do is take a step back and I want you to write down the top 3 to 5 competitors in that niche. And then what I want you to do is I want you to focus on which ones are making the most money. Now, you can find this out in a number of ways. One of the ways that I do it, I'll copy and paste the domain into something called SEMrush. This then shows me the traffic they're getting. Sometimes you can't actually get their revenue numbers, but you can get a lot of traffic numbers. And if they've got a lot of traffic, they're probably making a lot of cash. So in your top 3 to 5 competitors, what you need to do is, who's getting the most traffic? If they're getting the most traffic, odds are they're probably going to have a website that's performing the best. Some of the highest performing websites on the planet Earth that you can copy for free pay teams of what's called conversion rate optimization specialists, or CRO specialists. What this is, it's a team of data scientists and nerds and hackers and digital practitioners who will essentially go onto multi-million-dollar websites, and this could be for supplements, merch, clothing, whatever. They'll go onto the websites, they can actually heat map where the customers are going and what they're doing. So if you look at these websites, you've got to remember they've had millions of dollars invested into them, and what you're going to do is rip, copy, and clone everything that they've spent money to learn how to do. For example, if you've got a supplement brand and you click product and you go add to cart, when you add that product to your cart, that checkout page will have a whole bunch of secret tips and tricks that they use to make money for that particular brand online. For example, when you go to the checkout, you might see things called social proof, which is photos of people using the products. You then might see a number of reviews, which is people reviewing how good the products are. Then within those reviews, you're going to see specific commentary. So you're going to see things such as, my product came so quick, my product was amazing, my product came the next day. This is very intentional because what these companies have done, they've invested time, capital, and resources to learn about what makes a consumer convert when they get to the checkout. So this is one small example of going to your competitor's website, go through the customer experience that they have created for you. Keep in mind, the highest performing competitors in your niche have more money than you. So unless you've got a big stack of cash, you're not going to be able to outspend them. So what do? You have to outsmart them. And what I'm going to show you here, what I am showing you here, is exactly how to outsmart them at the website, at the checkout, on their product pages, all throughout their website. You are going to go through, cherry pick products, add them to cart. You're going to buy a couple of products. You're going to understand their checkout process. You're going to look at their product pages. You're going to look at their homepage, and you're going to look at every fine detail. And then in the same way that I told you to make a list of your competitors so that you can see who you're up against, I then want you to make a list of all the things that you like about their website, their product pages, and their checkout pages. Because what that's going to do, it's going to allow you as a consumer, as a customer, to go through their customer experience. And what you need to remember is they've invested millions of dollars into creating this customer experience. What you're going to do by going onto the website is you're going to get all of this for free. Once you've acquired this knowledge and information, I want you to remember and conceptualize the fact that you've just essentially skipped hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of research, development, tools, techniques, and strategies that these brands have implemented on their own website. And when you cherry pick the things that are working for their website and you simply cut and paste them onto your website, guess what? You don't need to pay hundreds of thousands of dollars in consulting fees. You don't need to hire conversion rate optimization specialists, because what you've done is you've simply gone to their website, gone through their customer experience, and you've experienced the end product of all their invested capital into research and development to make the best website on the planet Earth. Most people just go through the checkout process. They say, I bought my product, that's great. You're not doing that. You're now an infiltrator. You're now a spy. And what you've done by going through that customer experience is you can cherry pick everything that works. You can implement this onto your website. And this is how you can leverage all the work that your competitors have done and implement that onto your website for free, saving you hundreds of thousands of dollars of research, development, tech costs, and then you can simply clone it. And then what you're going to see is when you start driving traffic to your website, to your brand to make money for you using your strategies. I've got more. You can hit me up in my team. We've got a link in the bio. We've got a Discord if you want to talk to me. More than happy for you to do that. But what I'm saying is once you drive the traffic to your website, your customer experience is going to be on par with a multi-million-dollar brand. And you've achieved this simply by going onto their website, going through their checkout process, learning their customer experience, replicating what they're doing, putting it onto your website to make you cash. This is a no-brainer. This is one particular hack that will allow you to crush your competition, because I guarantee you, your competition are very focused on themselves and they're not thinking, how can I leverage, cut, copy, paste, and steal, acquire information from my competitors, put it onto my website. They're too busy trying to figure it out. I've just told you how to figure it out for free. So if you got value from this video, I want you to share it with someone else who might be in the same space, looking to make money, looking to start a brand. I want you to pass this information along. This is my gift to you today for free. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I've got many more to come, and stay tuned for the next one.